Hi guys, today I show you what you need to do if you accidentally added diesel exhaust fluid to diesel. You know, yesterday I did it accidentally, and right now I need to drain this diesel diesel exhaust fluid. For this, the first you need to do like open the hood and you can see this is the second filter, fuel system filter, and in this case you need to remove this clamp, which the red clamp. You need to remove this, and under hood you can see the second fuel filter, and in this case you need to remove bottom fuel line with the red clamp, this one. You can do this so easy, just need to lift it up, clamp on the both side, and when you move this on this side, and after this you need to pull out. And you can see this is the fuel filter line. And after this, take some hose and connect it to bottom fuel line, and drop this hose like outside, and take some bucket and drop this hose inside the bucket. And after this you need just push it twice, stop, start, engine, bottom. Do not push it the brake, just only this button. And you can see like ignition is start to be on, and let's check what's coming on. And you can see like fuel pump start to be working and drain it bad diesel fuel which diff. And you can see after 1 or maybe 2 minutes it stopped to work, and in this case you need to do this operation again. Just turn it off and push it twice, 1 and 2, and ignition is on, and fuel pump start to work again. Okay, do you see right now its bag is empty, and fuel no leak anymore. And in this case you need to take a fresh good diesel 5 gallons and add it directly to the tank, and after this drain again. And you can see color is start to be much better than it was before. And right now color is good, like same like a brand new diesel. And right now it's time to disconnect this hose and put back fuel line. When you put back this line, don't forget to clamp it this red clamp and make sure it's like good, have a good connection. And after this you need to replace this fuel filter and replace this fuel filter. Okay, let's do this. You take some bucket and open this valve, just twist it. It's like everything from your filter start to drain. And you need to disconnect this sensor. Just use screwdriver. Okay, sensor is disconnected. And you need to remove this metal protector plate. You need to unscrew some these bolts. 1 and 2. To unscrew these 2 bolts, I use the socket number 12. And right now you need to twist this plastic cap. For this one I use socket number 30. And after this, twisted the cap. Don't forget put back bucket, because it will be a little more wet. Some drops start to fall down. When you unscrew it, this cap, remove old cartridge from the cap and put back new one, and don't forget the change O-ring, this one. When you put back new filter, push it on the top, just make sure the filter on the right place, and it's time to change this O-ring. Okay, O-ring in the right place and filter in the right place, and it's time to screw it back, this cap. It starts to be hard, and it's time to use my socket. Okay, just make sure the filter cap on the right place. It's the same place like it was before. This is the sensor, and it's time to put back protector. Make sure these 3 bolts not loose. Okay, after this it's time to connect this sensor. Nothing to lose, everything good. And right now it's time to change second filter on the top. Just unscrew this cap. When you unscrew this cap, just remove the cap and remove the old filter. Okay, put back new filter. should splash it. And it's time to change this O-ring on the cap. When you replace the second fuel filter, it's time to screw it back. Okay, it's time to add new diesel, and just in case I use this engine treatment. It's like for gasoline or diesel. It's like a powerful cleaner, lubricant and fuel stabilizer, and this one is work for me. Okay, let's do add this cleaner. Before the add it, shake it a little more, and after this add it directly to the tank. And after this add new diesel. Okay, when you add fresh diesel, just do like this. Do not push it the brake, do not turn, just only turn ignition. It's like just need to do couple times. Couple, maybe 3-4 times. And after this, push it the brake and start engine. And that's it. Engine is started. And thank you for watching.